Oh, yes, my people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your boy Papaya here. Yeah, I'm planning to post, regular. I'm planning to post comedy, anything me catching in my brain, we post it. But yeah, definitely. But right now, I want to thank my sponsor who sponsored my birthday. She doesn't want me to call her name, but she just want to keep it confidential, and so I'm working with what she said. But she definitely knows because she definitely knows that because definitely she always watches I upload. She always watches the movie upload. She know I love rain. She know I love balloon just like how she love balloon, and we have the same exact colors. Um, um, I don't want to give out much information, but you know yourself. Oh, sorry about that. I think the music was playing in the background, that's why I paused. So if you see the video skip, someone was trying to mess around my brain. But otherwise than that, I want to say thanks to a special person overseas. And I'm praying, as I told you, for health and strength. And I wish you many lucks coming to you. And I don't know, I'm very speechless when it come on to doing stuff like this, but I'm trying my best to keep up, definitely. But you definitely know we talk a lot every single day, but since few days ago, times get busy, you busy, me busy, and I understand. Yeah, thanks for for everything you done. Definitely, you did something nobody never did. I think you're one of the only person made this year possible for me. Okay, so I don't know how it's happened. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah. We love the same colors. I know. But I want to definitely say thanks to you. You're a wonderful person in my life. You always inspire me with things. You're always telling me to keep God in my heart. Always draw closer to God. I never had nobody that tell me draw closer to God more than my mom. But it's like God sent you here for a reason, and definitely I would say you're more than the friend. You're special, you're like a God angel. And I want to say thanks to you, and I will keep in touch as soon as you know, I don't wanna give out so many information about you because you said as you said. But anyway, people, I wanna start a post a lot now. Yeah, my sponsor is there watching now. So I have to let her lost. So I gotta have to give some movies now, some comedies, some bad boy action. Well, it's just me. Last words of speech. Well,